Have you ever pondered the mysteries hidden beneath the surface of the deep sea? Today, we dive into the enigmatic depths of the Banda Sea, a body of water nestled in the heart of the Indonesian archipelago. This sea, known for its profound depths, plunges over 24,000 feet, making it one of the deepest seas in the world. But it's not just the depth that makes the Banda Sea intriguing. This underwater realm is a hotspot for biodiversity, teeming with a myriad of marine life, from the tiniest plankton to the largest whales. The Banda Sea's underwater terrain is equally captivating, marked by underwater mountains that rise dramatically from the seabed, creating a unique underwater landscape that is as beautiful as it is mysterious. This is the Banda Sea, a natural wonder concealed beneath the waves, a world teeming with life and beauty yet to be fully discovered. But why does the Banda Sea matter? You may wonder. Well, the Banda Sea's significance stretches far beyond its deep blue waters and stunning landscapes. It's a sea steeped in history, playing a pivotal role in the global spice trade centuries ago. This was a time when nutmeg and cloves were worth their weight in gold, and the Banda Sea was the gateway to these precious commodities. During the turbulent times of World War II, its strategic importance was recognized yet again as it became a battlefield, bearing silent witness to numerous naval encounters. Fast forward to the present day, the Banda Sea holds a different kind of treasure. It's a treasure trove of biodiversity. It's home to an array of marine life, from vibrant coral reefs to elusive hammerhead sharks. This rich biodiversity contributes significantly to the health and balance of our planetary ecosystems. The Banda Sea, once a battlefield and a trade route, is now a vital part of our planet's ecological balance. Can you imagine the breathtaking beauty that awaits beneath its surface? Now, let's delve into the underwater treasure box that is the Banda Sea. Picture a world where vibrant coral reefs sprawl across the seafloor, painting a spectacular canvas of colors. These are not just pretty to look at, they are also bustling metropolises, home to a diverse range of marine life. Imagine encountering a school of colorful fish, their scales shimmering under the dappled sunlight filtering through the water. Or coming face to face with a majestic manta ray, gliding gracefully through the ocean depths. Then there are the sea turtles, seemingly ancient and wise, lazily swimming through their underwater kingdom. Diving into the Banda Sea is like stepping into another world, where every moment holds a new surprise. Every dive is a mesmerizing experience, promising a glimpse into a hidden paradise that exists beneath the waves. The Banda Sea, a hidden paradise beneath the waves, is a testament to the stunning beauty nature holds in its depths. If you liked this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. These kind of videos are an addition to our normal ones. The history of the visited location, the top spots to visit, or an insight to the local culture. Maybe something completely different. Possibilities are endless. If you have any questions, feel free to post a comment. Till next time.